Hey everyone, this is Tina with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel today. I'm so excited you're here with me. Today we're going to be doing something kind of fun. We're going to be painting a couple of bees on this pretty little painting I did a while back. It's all nice and dry. And of course the bees are on here now, but I'm going to show you exactly how we paint these bees on this painting. So join me in my video today, and I hope you enjoy the process. We'll see you soon. Do with some of my images that I like to just play around with and see where I would like to place it and then how many I would like to place on my paintings. Really gives me a nice guide. I typically just freehand it, but this is a great way if you don't typically hand paint your images for enhancing your paintings. This is a pretty easy way to ensure that your placement and your image size is going to look pleasing to the eye and complementary within your composition. So I hope you enjoy this. Hope this gives you a little tip, a little inside information of how I typically would enhance my paintings, and maybe you too would like to do it to your own. So please feel free to ask any questions you might have, and if you like this, give me a like, a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.